Yeah, come to the session 2. So, the session 2 regarding am I correct? Am I right? Am I doing correct thing? So many times a youth get confused regarding the his action or regarding his behavior. Youth is very cautious and conscious about his words, actions, and behavior. But many times there is a ethical conflict that used to keep on happening in the mind. Am I in the correct path? Am I in the right path? Many times youth used to also think there is nothing like correct. There is nothing. Sometimes they used to confuse so many people. They are doing wrong. Still, they are enjoying the life. So that ethical dilemma used to keep on happening in the youth mind. But how to detect that I am doing things correct? How to detect that I've done some mistake or wrong? If we'll do something correct, we'll feel very light. You'll feel very happy. You will feel self-satisfied. Your heart, your mind will tell you've done something great. There will not be inner conflict. Even if you may face people criticism, you may face some sort of physical pain, but you will be happy at the end. But if I have done something out of some sort of greediness or some sort of jealousy or out of under the influence of my personal revenge, then what I'll feel at the end of the work, at the end of the task, I'll feel a lot of inner conflict. I'll feel something is wrong. People may outside may appreciate, may like my work, but I'll not be happy inside. I'll feel very heavy in the mind. I'll not feel light, relaxed, or easy. There may be false appreciation. I may be happy with my profit. The profit which is I'm getting, I may get that is external. But the internal happiness, internal conflict will keep on biting. I'll feel something is missing. Something I should have done. It is wrong. But then I should realize, okay, I need to introvert. I need to check. I need to introspect. I need to do a self-analysis. I should correct myself. That correction will give me a lot of satisfaction. So, before the repercussion of my action, before the time, before the repercussion of my action in terms of sorrow, my personal guilt, or loss of self-esteem, I should correct myself and do and keep myself internally happy, satisfied, and free from the inner conflict. But sometimes some may be doing a negative one. It's not just good, it's wrong, but more than wrong, it is a negative. I did something, it's a very big something mistake. Then repented. And those seen in and around will not allow me to sleep quietly. I will be become very, very heavier. I'll not, my conscience will not see myself at a higher level. So, as per the norms, as per certain guidance, maybe in philosophy, maybe in religion, maybe the principle we have read in our school, so many things being taught by our parents, and so many things I learned from my own experience. So let me try to follow as far as possible. But in spite of my best effort, there may be situations, there may be cases when I may go wrong. So going wrong is not, it's not wrong. But after going wrong, if I'm not realizing, then there is something wrong. If I'm not correcting, if I'm not taking the steps to change my thinking process, to change my behavior, to change my attitude, if I'll not upgrade my learning, if I'll not consult some of my good wishers or some of the experts or some of good mentors, the self-correction, self-analysis, self-diagnosis, to correct self will make me so much satisfied. And believe me, it will give you so much empowerment to take further risks and to do, and you will earn a lot of blessing from your seniors. And for your self correction, you will be feel motivated. Okay, I can change. Such a transformation, self transformation to make yourself happy by doing something correct is very much essential of the time. There is no one to see me, check me. There are so many private, but I am the good teacher of myself. I am the good philosopher of myself. I am the good doctor of myself in checking out my own illness in my mind, thought process. This will also increase my love with my Father.